I want to present you with the challenge of going from $0 to $100. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact strategy. But right now, I want to show you that it is possible. Here we are inside of an affiliate marketplace. The name of the affiliate marketplace doesn't matter. The product doesn't matter. That's not the focus of this video. The focus is on understanding that you need a strategy to understand how to go from 0 to 100. And the fact that you can make $100 in 24 hours is possible. Okay, focus in on this product name, How to Draw Books Generator. Take that over to YouTube. Type in the product name, How to Draw Books Generator. Look at the videos here and scroll down, and I want to show you one of the results here in the middle of the screen, How to Draw Books Generator review from a channel called Publisher Report. This used to be my YouTube channel. This is the video right here, and you can see this video was made 2 months ago, March 31st, 2023, and it only has 353 views for its entire lifetime. Go back and look from the first to the second. This video made me $184.06 promoting this product as an affiliate. From the first to the second, that's 24 hours. That's $184.06. Now you're probably saying, yes, but you had a YouTube channel. And yes, the YouTube channel currently has 4,700 subscribers and 183 videos. But that wasn't always the case. I didn't always have that YouTube channel. And I created that YouTube channel over a weekend. I got the idea and the thought, and I created the very first video in 24 hours. Actually under 24 hours, but you get the idea here. The concept is 0 to 100 in 24 hours. The reality is that you can start your own YouTube channel very easily just by picking a topic that is a thing that you want to talk about and starting to talk about it, and then find an offer or pick a product to promote. And you can do all this within 24 hours. You just need a simple strategy. Now, back to Publisher Report and the fact that it has 4,700 subscribers. Go back to the search results, How to Draw Books Generator. Look at the top 2 video results after the ad. You will see Vid Society and you will see a channel called Chris Raydog. Vid Society has 43,000 subscribers. Chris Raydog has 25,000 subscribers. Understand that when people were searching for How to Draw Books Generator, they looked at those 2 results. Those channels, way bigger than my channel, went past these other channels, again, that are bigger than my channel, and landed on Publisher Report. Clicked, and I made 4 sales in 24 hours for $184.06. Another example. Focus in on the date on this promotion for a product called Instant Puzzle Generator, 2020. This is when the channel started. The channel currently has Publisher Report. My old YouTube channel actually has 183 videos right now. But when I made this video, I didn't even have 12 videos on the channel, and I made $141.73 in 24 hours. Again, back to the channel, my old YouTube channel, Publisher Report. You can see 183 videos, 4,700 subscribers right now, but I have sorted by oldest, and you can see these videos were made 2 years ago, and you can come down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th video was How to Make a Word Search Puzzle and Book and Make Money with Amazon KDP, Instant Puzzle Generator Review. Here is the review. That's me on the screen, letting people know that Instant Puzzle Generator was on sale and they could pick it up through my link in the description. That video right now has 1,042 views. In the grand scheme of YouTube, that is nothing. Check this out. August 28th, 2020. At that time, this is Publisher Report. At that time, that was video number 11. And again, Instant Puzzle Generator, the product that I was promoting, the product that I was selling. And this is the exact same thing that you can do when you have the simple strategy that I'm about to show you. Made me $141.73 in 24 hours. But if you were to actually look all time, the video has actually made me $1,054.31. So if you go back and you look at the video, it has about 1,000 views. That's about $1 a view on a video I made 3 years ago when I only had 11 videos on my channel that, again, I started and set up using a simple strategy that you can use to build your own YouTube channel to do exactly what I just showed you. And you can do that within 24 hours. it is a very realistic opportunity. And that strategy is what I call the top strategy. It starts with traffic. Of course, the traffic comes from YouTube, and it starts with you picking a topic. And that topic is simply something that you're interested in and something that has the potential for products to be sold, which is practically everything or anything that you could think to talk about. Then you pick an offer. In this case, you saw the offer that I picked. You saw the videos that I created. You saw that I was able to make $100 in 24 hours of releasing those videos. When people found those videos on YouTube by simply typing in the product name, nothing hard and nothing complicated about trying to come up with a crazy good title like you see all the YouTube folks talking about. You didn't even have to think about the title. You put the title of the product in the title of the video, and you simply say, check this out. I am going to show you this product. I like the product. It works. Here's how it works. Link in the description. That is how you get traffic over to your offer. And people are simply that. People that you will find or that will find you when you start creating this valuable content in the form of recommendations for products that are being launched and sold. Products that you take a look at, you show how they work, you talk about the pros, you talk about the cons. It's a product review. You've seen 1,000, 100,000, probably 1,000,000 of them on YouTube. They happen every day. And this is the way, if you accept this challenge and realize that with a simple strategy like the top strategy, you have 3 foundational phases that can be built and set up within 24 hours. All you need to do is understand that you need traffic, which is your YouTube video. You need an offer, which is a product that you become an affiliate for. And then you need people to find your video. Again, goes back to they are searching for the product and they are ready to buy. The name of the product actually becomes the name or the title of your YouTube video. It's just that simple. Don't overthink it. If you want help with this, if you want to see how my strategy works and how I use this to make money on YouTube every day, check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment. It'll take you over. I'll walk you through this top strategy in detail. But if you're not quite ready to click that link in the description because you think something's up, then check out the video you see on the screen right now where I'll walk you through it right here on YouTube. And then you'll have everything you need to know to get started and accept this 24-hour challenge to go from $0 to $100 as an affiliate marketer, because that is what you are going to be starting right now.